Hi team, it's Sal from the Gym's Cleaning HQ. Firstly, we hope you and your family are staying safe. Today we'll be sharing our response to the COVID-19 virus, Gym's Disinfect service. During these challenging times, hygiene standards within homes and workplaces have been more important than ever. Our service is suited to protect all premises within the hospitality industry, schools, child and aged care facilities, NDIS clients, commercial buildings, all the way through to domestic clients. The disinfectant product can be applied via two methods, a spray and wipe bottle or the battery operated sprayer. We aim to apply our disinfectant service to traffic areas, surfaces and touch points. Essentially, our disinfectant is enzyme based derived from plants. The product can be applied to most surfaces via light misting or spray and wipe. It is very safe and we use the appropriate PPE to protect ourselves and keeping social distancing rules in mind. The spray is stone safe and can also be applied to fabric, leather, drapes and other soft furnishings. The key is to keep moisture at a minimum and not saturate these areas. Gym's Disinfect service is a preventive measure to maintain a high level of hygiene. Our product disinfects and protects against germs and bacteria for up to 24 hours. The product is TGA approved, non-toxic, eco-friendly and an alcohol-free sanitizer. It also ensures minimal downtime for our clients.